I will talk about how can you fix this problem on your Tether app. So all you have to do, you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then here it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here. So you just click here on apps. Then come to apps list here. And here you're looking for a Tether app. Then you click here on search. Then here add Tether app. It's going to show for you like this. Click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. Just click here on for stop. Then you click here on OK. So then you go down. Just click here on storage. Come to storage list here. Just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do. So you just go to your Play Store. Click on it here. Then you search for Tether app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update. Click on it. And it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing.